बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना। हाँ, बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में, बाबूजी धीरे चलना।
Okay, so I have no patience for all these babujis who walk slow. Maybe I'm telling you in this song to walk slow, but I don't want you to walk slow. So okay, let me just start without any further ado because I don't have any patience. I really don't have any patience, and I have no patience for the slow walking people. So if you are a slow walking person, then just click away. वैसे भी कोई देखता नहीं है. Okay, चलो देख लो, but you are going to get offended, really offended. And yes, I'm open for the suggestions. So if you're a slow walking person and you want to tell me like the reason why you walk slow, you can just tell me in the comment section and let me just know. Maybe there's this new world of slow walking which I like have to explore, and you will help me to know about it. Okay, well, so it's about what happened yesterday. Yesterday I went out to buy some groceries and things like that. So I was in the market, and usually it used to happen a lot, but now as I'm in quarantine, so I don't have to go out much, so that is why it is a very scarce event nowadays. So that's why whenever it happens, it just makes me go berserk. Oh god, I just hate slow walking people. Now I'm telling the truth. It's not like I just don't only have the patience. I hate you if you are a slow walking person. And you know why? Because what happens if I am in the market, and especially we are in a country where there is so much of population, or like we feel like we are so much of population because we all are on the streets all time. Because that's what I have noticed. At least we are in the market, and especially in the lanes where there is like nothing which you have to look out for, window shopping and things like that, and there are so many people in the streets walking like there's no pace in their legs. Why they are walking slow? Why are they walking slow? I really want to know the reason. Don't you have any place to go, or don't you have any better place to roam around? You only have to roam around in the streets like this. Man, you will save a lot of time if you just walk a little fast, just a little faster. You are so tall, you have huge legs, these feet, you have so much of feet length. You can just use it, and just so. I was buying some like fruits and vegetables, and as I was walking back towards my home, there were like these three tall guys, and they were walking like this. Why guys walk like this? Why? Why have you lost the enthusiasm of walking? Why are you walking like this? Like dragging yourself, your bodies around everywhere. Where's your enthusiasm, man? Just walk like the way you learned to walk and you started to do it. And okay, so there were these three guys, and they all were walking so slow like this, and then next to them there was a car, then next to it there was a e-rickshaw, and next to it there's a guy, not guy like ladka guy, proper guy, cow, big one. So yes, so the whole street was clogged, and they were walking in a row, and they were walking so slow like this, and yet there must be a little sense in the mind of a human being, especially if you are an adult. At least they were looking like an adult. And yes, I'm not complaining about the people who have like injuries in their legs, or they are like old, or they have some issues and then they're walking slow. No, they're an exception. I can wait for a slow walking auntie, and I can just wait for an hour behind her. I'll have no problem. But I have the issue with the people who are young, who are full of enthusiasm and everything, but they have lost their enthusiasm of walking. Why have you lost the enthusiasm of your walking? I have small feet, still I walk like this. I walk so fast. You know why I walk fast? Because I want to save my damn time on the street, and I want to utilize that time on the places where I am going, and I want to just invest that time on the people I'm going to meet. So I want the same from you slow walking people. Or okay, yes, so let me just come back to my story. So what happened is like these three boys. So these three boys were like this, and the whole street was clogged up because of them, because they were walking in a row, and then there was this car which was stuck there along with that e-rickshaw, because there's no place, there was no space for it to move, and they are still walking like this. I was behind them, I was like, oh god, Are they just crazy or what? Where are their minds? Can't they just see and walk a little like faster, man? Walk a little faster. And as I was walking behind them, as I told you already, I was going nuts over there, slow walking. I have realized one thing. You know why we have so many slow walking people in our country? Because of unemployment. Yes, I feel that way. Because if you are unemployed, you have no place to go. Matlab, you must be having some places to go, but you don't have any kind of a timeline for it. Because if I am like out on the street, I know I have to reach my office on time, because if I won't, there will be some issues. But if you are unemployed, then you know that you are not like that you are not liable to reach anywhere on time, because there is no boss of yours who is going to nag you for just being late 2-3 minutes or 10-15 minutes. So what you're doing, you are just wasting your time on the streets. I can understand, maybe in normal days you want to just roam around, have fun and chill, but it's a quarantine period. It's like kind of a unlock lockdown, and you have to be on the streets only if it's necessary, and still you are wasting on your time on the streets, just providing your own body more time for the virus to attack yourself. Why are you doing this to yourself, man? You know what you're doing? You're doing yourself a disfavor. Yes. And you know why I get more frustrated with the people who walk slow? Because it's not just me who walk like this. My friends are also like fast walking people. My family also has just fast walking people. Only my brother is the problem. Only my brother is the one who walks slow. And maybe he walks slow in comparison to me. But for the slow people, he is like a little bit faster. Because I am not just a mediocre person in walking. I'm a faster person. I belong to the faster category. My friends belong to the faster category. My cousins and all the people I like to spend my time with are the fast walking people. If you are with us, you will be feeling like we are in a walking race. And you know why? I don't know why actually, but we just like to walk fast. Yes, maybe this is the only common link between all of us. That is why we are friends, because we all like to walk fast. And maybe the amount of frustration which I get around with the people who walk slow, they are also facing the same thing. That is why they are friends with me, because I am a fast walking person. We are not a country with huge population. Yes, we are not a country with huge population. We are a country with a population who walks slow. That's why our streets are crowded. That's why our cities are crowded. And if most of the people are employed and they have like timelines to reach at the places, there will be less people on the streets. And you know what? You are saying yes in your hearts, and you agree with me. Yeah? Huh? Hello? You all agree with me. I know. So if you are a slow walking person and you still watch all this video and now you're very angry at me, so just do one thing. Just mention your reason for walking slow in the comment section. Also along with it, just mention the benefits of walking slow, because I want to know them. I am opening my mind to the possibilities of walking slow in my own life, because yes, I am walking like this now, but I can walk like this too. And if there's some kind of a positive reasoning behind it, I can try it. At least I can try it for a few days. So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video, and let's just hope it's not a frustrating video like this, because I am not just telling you anything for the sake of video. What I'm telling you is the truth, and what I'm telling you is the same what I feel. So I want the next video to be positive. So let's just say bye. And even if you're a slow walking person, let me just say I apologize. And as I apologized in the beginning of the video, let me just apologize again. I don't want to make you feel bad. If you are a slow walking person, just walk slow, no issues. But just don't walk slow in front of me. Okay, so bye.